Need to upload and share files quickly, for free, and even anonymously? Here's how to use SafeUploadz, your simple, no-fuss file sharing platform. This is the homepage. You can upload multiple files at once, organize them in a folder, protect with a password, or share publicly, all without registering. To upload anonymously, click Choose Files, pick your files, optionally add a folder name or password, and hit Upload Files. Done. No account needed. Tap Explore to browse the global file feed, a community gallery of publicly shared files. Search, sort by most downloaded, and download anything in one click. After upload, you get a dedicated page showing views, downloads, and likes, plus a shareable link you can post on WhatsApp, Twitter, or any platform. Create a free account with just a username, password, and email. Once logged in, you can manage, delete, and organize all your uploads, plus comment and like community files. Your My Files dashboard shows all your uploads, their visibility status, view counts, and sharing options. Organize into folders and manage everything from one place. Deleted files go to the recycle bin first. Restore or permanently delete them anytime. Note: anonymous uploads can't be managed later. Use an account for full control. Try it now at SafeUploadz.com. Fast, simple, and completely free file sharing. No credit card, no hassle. Upload your first file today.